In this video, we will show you how to operate your Greenworks 12-inch snow shovel with directional vanes. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Let's get started. Step 1. Unpacking. Cut the tape and open the box. Remove the manual along with any loose, unassembled parts and set aside for later. Lift the snow shovel out of the box and set it down. Inspect the unit and its parts to confirm that no damage has occurred. Keep the box and packing material until you have operated the product. Step 2. Battery and charger. If you purchased a complete kit, your unit came with a battery and charger. Please be advised that batteries are not shipped fully charged. It is recommended to fully charge each battery before use to ensure that the maximum runtime can be achieved. Step 3. Attaching the shaft. Remove the protective rubber grommets from both sides of the shaft. Begin by loosening the lock knob on the coupler. Align the release button with the location hole and slide the two shafts together. Turn the upper shaft slightly until the button pops fully into place. This confirms the shaft is locked. Tighten the lock knob securely. Step 4. Adjusting the auxiliary handle. Loosen the auxiliary handle knob and rotate the handle to a comfortable position. Tighten the knob securely to prevent the handle from sliding on the shaft. Step 5. Installing and removing the battery. Align the lift ribs on the battery with the grooves in the compartment, then push it in until you hear a click. To remove the battery, press and hold the release button, then pull the battery pack out of the snow shovel. Operating the snow shovel. Hold down the lockout button, then squeeze the trigger to start the machine. Release the trigger to stop the shovel. Adjusting the directional vanes. Rotate the adjustment knob to change the direction of snow discharge. The vanes can be adjusted up to 60 degrees, 30 degrees to either side. Cold weather operation. For optimal performance, keep the battery between -17 degrees Celsius and 45 degrees Celsius. Do not charge or store the battery outdoors. If the unit won't start in very cold conditions, remove the battery and warm it indoors for about 15 minutes before trying again. Preventing freeze-up after use. After you finish clearing snow, let the motor run for a minute to remove any ice from the impeller and vanes. Turn the shovel off completely, then clear away any remaining snow or ice from the housing and scraper edge. Operational tips. Clear snow promptly after it falls for easier operation. Use the directional vanes to guide snow placement efficiently. Inspect the scraper edge regularly and replace it if it becomes worn. Always stop the shovel immediately if the impeller becomes jammed. Need additional help? For videos on how to charge your batteries and operate your product, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your Greenworks tools will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.